Stainless steel is a kind of avant-garde decorative material with brightness close to mirror surface, hard and cold to touch. Now please enjoy the stainless steel products show. Stainless steel 304 table. Size can be customized. Stainless steel 304 shoes bench. It can be made single-sided or double-sided, with a door or not. Stainless steel 304 sink. Size can be customized for single or double person. Even for multi-users. Stainless steel 304 locker. The number of locker can be customized. There are mechanical lock or electronic combination lock. Suzhou Pharma machinery specialized in high-quality stainless steel furniture. Welcome, contact and follow us.